Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at this LED deformable light. Perfect for your shop, garage, basement, wherever you have a traditional socket and you want to upgrade the lighting. This is the light for you. There's a bunch of different Amazon brands that are selling these things, and we see promo codes and coupons for them quite often. The regular price on this one was over $40. I just happened to be able to stack a coupon and a promo code together, and I bought it for 11 bucks. So I got an amazing deal on it. And the deal was posted on my website, starterville.net, so I will put a few links down below. This particular one is by a brand called Tan Baby, but there's a bunch of different brands that we'll see, and they're essentially all the same throughout these different brands. It's just you have two different variations, and we're going to talk about it. So let's open this thing up, and then we'll go plug it in so you can actually see how it works. One little added bonus that came with mine, that was actually kind of neat, this little like USB flash drive, although instead of having memory or storage on it, it's a light. Let's show you super quick. I got this plug-in right here. Bam! I don't know. I thought it was kind of cool. Anyways, let's get onto the light. So, you see you have three LED panels along the side. They pivot, so you can move them to any position you want and kind of direct the light in your garage or whatever you have anywhere you need it. The backside, traditional bulb, so it's one thing great if you're trying to upgrade your lighting but you don't want to put in 4-foot shop lights everywhere and you already have fixtures that use a traditional socket. This is a really nice, easy upgrade for you. This particular one is motion censored. So if you turn the motion sensor on, then obviously when it detects motion, it turns on. I forgot what the setting is. It's like for a minute or 2 minutes or something. But if you turn it off, then it just works like a normal light on a switch. And then the other version of these lights just don't have the motion sensor part. So, let's go test this thing out and see how it works. Out in the garage with our deformable light on a little regular house lamp. If you hear me scream like a girl, there's a mouse that just ran underneath the air compressor there. So it's just crawling across my foot or some shit. Anyway, so it's a 60-watt light. It's 6,000 lumens to give you guys kind of an idea how bright it is. We're in a 25 by 25 foot garage, so I'm going to turn off the other lights and let you see how bright it is with this being the only light source and because it's nighttime, so it's dark outside also. So there you go, we got some long range creeping going on. It's the only light in this 25 by 25 foot building. It's damn bright. Let's try it with the motion sensor on and see how it works. Motion sensor's on. It's the only thing lighting up the garage. Hopefully we're still enough that it goes off on its own. Okay, it's very dark. And there's a rat bastard mouse up in the rafter somewhere. We have to activate the motion sensor in complete darkness while avoiding tripping on things or a mouse falling on us or some shit. Come on, motion sensor. Oh, there it goes. Bam! Motion sensor works. Where's that fucking mouse at, man? Don't fall on my head. You dumb shit. So, there you go. Motion sensor works. 6,000 lumen light. Look at it. Lighting it up. Light it up. You don't see the mouse up there, do you? Alright guys, that's it for the deformable LED light. I'll leave those links down below if you want to check out this specific one, or if you want to just look up other ones that are similar to it. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, and I'm going to go inside where there's probably less mice. Thanks for watching.